Hi, I'm Goodness Ben. I'm a business coach, and I just finished Coach Temi Ajibewa's book on how to make millions doing what you love. And sincerely speaking, she did justice to this book. This book is an amazing book that you should also go and read, because she did justice to areas that are delicate, areas like how exactly do I know the passion to focus on, because sometimes the problem is we're multi-passionate and we think, oh my god, which one do I do, this, do I do that, which of them is going to be perfect for me? But she covered this area. She covered areas like, when do I quit my job exactly so I can focus on doing what I love? This book is wonderful. It's a guide for anyone who wants to make money from their passion, from their skill. You think, okay, I want to start a business from what I have within me, but I don't know where to start from. Go and get this book. It's your compass. Go and get it. All right. Come and thank me later.